Welcome to our channel Around the World with Dua Mumtaz. Today we are going to visit a place named Alabama Adventure and Splash Adventure in Birmingham City, Alabama State, United States of America. If you like our informative video, please click the like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you will receive timely notification whenever we uploaded new videos. Let's get started. Alabama Adventure and Splash Adventure, previously known as Visionland, Alabama Adventure, Splash Adventure and Alabama Splash Adventure, is a water park and amusement park, located off Interstate 2059 in Bessemer, Alabama, just west of Birmingham and east of Tuscaloosa. It is owned by Koch Family Parks, which consists of members of the family who formerly had minority ownership in Holiday World and Splashin Safari. Originally known as Visionland, the park was built largely as a result of efforts by Fairfield Mayor Larry Langford. 11 cities came together to form the West Jefferson Amusement and Public Park Authority, and with help from the Alabama legislature, the group borrowed $60 million to build the park. Construction began in March 1997, and the park opened for business on May 23, 1998. The park opened with 4 major areas, including Celebration City Theme Park, Steel Waters Water Park, a children's area called Marble City, and a shopping/dining area known as Main Street. In 1999, the park expanded, adding Wild River Gorge, a river rapids attraction. Dino Domain, a dinosaur-themed walkthrough exhibit featuring animatronic dinosaurs, was built in the woods behind Main Street. Wild River Gorge reopened with minor adjustments along with Stratosphere Screamer, an S&M's-powered twin tower attraction. The park filed Chapter 9 bankruptcy in 2002, and only operated Steel Waters. Theme Parks LLC, an amusement park company, known for their success with Kentucky Kingdom in Louisville, Kentucky, was interested in Visionland and made a bid for the park, but the price for the park ended up being too high. The park was then purchased by Southland Entertainment Group for $5.25 million, a loss of approximately $26 million in public funds. In 2003, Visionland reopened with Magic Adventure Theme Park, Splash Beach Water Park, Marble City, and Celebration Street. Magic Adventure received a scrambler attraction called Wild Scrambler, and Splash Beach received a wave pool named Kahuna Waves and a 9-story tall free fall slide called Acapulco Drop. Starting that season, park guests had the option to buy tickets to either the amusement park or the water park, or a combo ticket to both parks. Splash Beach received a new water attraction called Splashdown, a toilet bowl style ride in 2004. In 2005, Magic Adventure opened the first new roller coaster since the park's opening, named Zoomerang, a Vekoma boomerang roller coaster relocated from Sydney, Australia. The park also reopened one of the former attractions named Cahaba Falls, a log flume attraction. It was later known as Woodchuck Run. The park held naming contests for both attractions on its website. The theme park was visited by approximately 345,000 people, making the park Alabama's second most popular tourist destination according to the Bureau of Tourism and Travel, and trailing only the Birmingham Zoo. Southland announced in 2006 the rebranding of the park under the Alabama Adventure name, along with major expansion plans, including a hotel with an indoor water park, an RV park, and other amenities. Magic Adventure was renamed Magic City USA to reflect the new theming strategy. The park also announced plans for a summer concert series, featuring popular musical acts and artists. The number of visitors to Alabama Adventure rose to more than 388,000. It was the winner of Alabama's 2007 Attraction of the Year. In 2007, the park added 2 new attractions, including Vertigo, one of the original attractions of Visionland, which had been removed in 2003, and Salamander Bay, a rethemed children's play area at Splash Beach, formerly known as Quarry Bay. The summer concert series returned to the park and became an annual event. Southland Entertainment sold the park to Adrenaline Family Entertainment, a group of former executives of Six Flags. In 2008, Southland concentrated on developing the remaining acreage that it owns adjacent to the park, with plans for hotels, an RV park, and other amenities. In 2009, the park announced the first major expansion since 2005, and the first to Splash Beach since 2004. The expansion included a new attraction from Whitewater West called Upsurge, a 216-foot flume slide with a vertical half-pipe ending in a 25,000-gallon splash pool. The park also combined both parks into one ticket price. The park began promoting a casting call for new indoor theatrical entertainment called Beat Street that premiered in the brand new Star Theater in 2010. The park also relaunched its website, branding the park as Alabama Adventure Water and Theme Park. Adrenaline Family Entertainment sold the park on January 5, 2012, to General Attractions LLC, a company created by the former owners of the park who previously sold the park in 2008. It was announced on April 5, 2012 that the amusement park section would be closed, leaving only water rides. The park was renamed Splash Adventure for its 2012 opening season. Also for 2012, 3 new attractions were added to the water park. One of their new attractions was called the Mystical Maze, where in this attraction you go through a maze that has trigger water chutes and many other surprises. The second new attraction was a Wipeout designed ride from Whitewater West called Wipeout Adventure Course, and the third new attraction was a zipline that goes around the water park. There was a dive-in movie at Kahuna Waves every Friday night from Memorial Day weekend to the end of July. In March 2014, Koch Family Parks, founded by former Holiday World and Splashin Safari CEO Dan Koch and his sister Natalie, purchased the park. New additions to the park included 5 new kids rides consisting of a new kids roller coaster, a train, 2 boat rides, mini helicopters and a laser maze. In 2015, Rampage, the park's signature wooden roller coaster, reopened after a complete restoration. In 2018, the park added new attractions including a rocking tugboat, scrambler, a fast spinning ride, a yo-yo swing ride, a miniature children's train ride, and a children's water slide complex. They also introduced a weekend autumn festival in October of that same year. A year later, for the 2019 season, the park introduced 3 new attractions: Freefall, a 75-foot tall water slide, Galleon, a pirate ship ride, and Twister, a body slide located by Freefall. On Christmas Day, December 25, 2020, following a month-long teaser campaign, Alabama Adventure announced a new addition for the 2021 season, Rocket Racer, a new 6-lane mat racer water slide, which would stand more than 50 feet, 15 m, tall and represent their largest water park expansion to date. For 2022, this amusement park introduced Cheddar Chase, a wild mouse roller coaster ride previously from Lake Winnepesaukee and Georgia, and self-powered bikes for kids to replace Crank and Roll. In addition, its water park attraction Castaway Island was renamed Coco Island. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will see you on our next place of Birmingham City, Alabama, United States of America.